Man tests positive for COVID-19, monkeypox, and HIV after returning from Spain. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 36-year-old Italian male has been diagnosed with COVID-19, monkeypox, and HIV following a recent trip to Spain. According to a report on Wednesday, scientists confirmed that this is the first case of a person testing positive for all three at the same time. The patient developed a series of symptoms including fatigue, fever, and sore throat 9 days after returning from a trip to Spain, where he engaged in unprotected sex. Earlier this month, the World Health Organization declared the monkeypox a global emergency after thousands of people contracted the virus after it was first discovered outside of Africa. But over 2 years, the COVID-19 virus has infected and taken the lives of millions of people worldwide, causing a global lockdown. And for decades, HIV has been infected millions of people, with the first person being cured from the virus in 2008, although he was ultimately diagnosed with blood cancer in 2020. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.